Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about using Google Sheets to create a graph. Google Sheets allows you to create all types of graphs, including bar graphs, line graphs, scatter plots, and pie charts. It will be your job to determine which one to use given the data you are graphing. Also, please excuse the background noise, the air is a little noisy today. When you're creating a graph, you're going to need to start with some type of data. So I grabbed this data from your creating a graph packet that you guys had when you had a sub. So what you're going to do is highlight the data, and then you're going to click on this icon that says Insert Chart, or you can also come up here and click Insert Chart, and there you go. So notice that on the x-axis, the first column has been used as labels. That's a default feature if you have words in the first column. That doesn't happen if you have numbers in the first column. The chart is also defaulted to what they call a column chart, which is just a bar graph. And you can switch that to a line chart or a pie chart or whatever you think is appropriate. Google Sheets has a tendency to default to what they think is the best, and that's okay. But you don't necessarily have to choose the same thing if you don't think it's appropriate. If you click over here on Customize, you can change the background color and all of that type of stuff. And you may need to change the chart title. If you don't like mushrooms versus month, you could change that here. If you click on the little drop-down menu, it will allow you to change the horizontal axis title or the vertical axis title, depending on the type of data that you're trying to graph. It may not have any labels, and remember that you guys are required to have labels on your graph. So now I've added something else just to show you guys how to do a comparison chart. Let's see. So I've added the number of dandelions. So if you just click out of the other chart and then highlight your new data, it will bring that up, and it's got a key on the side, which is great. So you can have more than one thing on your chart. And then if you want to cut and copy this, you can always go to copy chart. And then when you get onto your document, you can just right click on the document and it will allow you to paste wherever you feel is appropriate. And it will give the option of automatically updating the data if you change it or anything like that.